Hello again. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to prepare the penetration testing lab, what are the required software, how to install them, and how to configure them. Let's start with VirtualBox application installation. If you go to Chrome and write VirtualBox, you can click on Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can choose downloads. Then, according to your platform package, whether it's Windows, OS X, Linux, Solaris hosts. For me, it's Windows host. So when you click, it will start the download. Additionally, what you will need is the VM VirtualBox extension pack. If you click here also, one click, the download will start immediately. So I'm gonna pause the video, then we'll proceed. The download is finished. In downloads folder, we're gonna see two files. One is the VirtualBox and one is the extension pack. Double click the VirtualBox, run. It will be a normal installation, just next, using the default options. Next, yes, install. So as I said, just we need two things, the VirtualBox and the Kali Linux operating system image, and our lab will be ready. Click yes. The installation is very easy. Both the VirtualBox and Kali Linux are free, so no need to worry about purchasing anything. I'm gonna show you the installation step by step, just for beginners to understand the steps step by step. Completing the installation of VirtualBox, just double click on the extension pack to install it. Click install, scroll down to get I agree button enabled, click yes, and that's it. Now our VirtualBox is ready. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to install the Kali Linux image and import it to VirtualBox Manager.